This is the old one that I'm going to be replacing. I'm going to start by disconnecting it from the end. Remove the wiring that was tucked down here. Just kind of gently pry this out. So we're going to remove that. And same thing with this. This will all be gently removed. Okay. Now you can see this. Okay. I'm actually gonna turn these off, that way they're not on this whole time. And we'll do the same thing with the back. So all this wiring is what I had hidden. So now we just have to unplug it from the dash cam, and then we'll remove this. So we're gonna wipe that down really quick. Okay, now it's clear. This is the dash cam that I'm gonna be installing. This is the new one, and I'm excited about this one because it has a bunch of cool features that this one did not have. I attached the camera to the suction mount just so I can kind of have an idea as far as placement. Okay, I put this on the outside of my windshield, that way I can still have the shade and protection, but be able to access this. Okay, so that's our first little clip. So I'm just tucking the wire through this tiny little gap. So now I have the wire tucked all the way through there. Okay, so I tucked it through, and now it's hidden. And now we're just gonna run it through the door frame, beneath the glove box, and then we'll tuck it in. Okay. This is how much slack we're working with, which is a lot less than with my old cord. I added these two little clips and it's looped, so now I'm just gonna tuck it down and place it. And I mounted one right there already. Okay, so now when I close this, the wire is tucked and hidden. So now it's in. Turn it on and make sure that it powers up. Here we go.